Here I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 2021, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Watermark on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, tap here, go to its settings, and here you can find Watermark, and here you can enable it. You can also enable timestamp on photos, like when did you took them. So let's take a picture, for example, and now as you can see I have device watermark here and also a timestamp. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.